Hello again. So, decided to move the tent from over there to over here because this is a better spot. There's a little more wind blowing through. It's a better view. Scallies have left the scally chair, which I will use and try to take to the skip afterwards. And this is where I am now. All their crap is up there, but I'm feeling a bit more comfortable here, and there's definitely less flies. Let's see how the night goes. Gonna relax for a bit, maybe do another brew, and then make some tea, which is the main event. So hungry already. See you in a bit, dudes. Okay,